Hello everybody, and today I'll be making fried red snapper fish with mango salad. Let's start cooking. We will get our red snapper fish and we will score it on both sides, and then we will add in our salt, and then we will flip it over and add the salt on the other side. Next we will be adding in our soy sauce. We will get half a tablespoon of that, and we will pour it onto the red snapper fish. Next, we will mix the soy sauce and salt together, and then add the red snapper fish into hot oil and fry it.
Wow, so cool!
Next, we will add in the other part of the fish and let that fry as well.
Wow, so bubbly!
Now I will flip the fish over since the other side needs to be cooked and this side is all golden brown. Ooh, look at it. It's all yummy and crispy. Next, we will flip the other part of the fish over again. Now we will take out our red snapper fish. Look at it, so crispy, crunchy, and yummy. Take the other part as well, and here it is. Our red snapper fish is all done. And we will garnish with some spring onion. Next, we will move on for our mango salad. And we will need all of these ingredients: mango, shallot, tomato, and slices of spring onion. Next, we will add in our seasoning, which is chicken powder, 1 teaspoon of that, and then brown sugar and half a tablespoon of fish sauce, and we will stir them all together. Mix them well. The flavor of the mango salad is sweet, sour, and salty. And here is the mango salad with the red snapper fish. Now we will taste test it.
Ooh, looks nice!
Julian will now taste test the red snapper fish and mango salad. I think he will enjoy it.
It was very crispy, crunchy, and I really enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.